Hey guys, I apologize for the late video. I know I talked about doing like filming Fridays and stuff. It's like filming Fridays, it's super cute and whatever. And so I really wanted to do filming Fridays, but life happened and I've been super busy and so that just didn't happen. I actually didn't have my camera on me last Friday and so I couldn't even film anything. Today what we're going to focus on is how I made over $6,000 reselling my own clothes. What? I know. So let's get started. And I have my green juice here with me today. So I want to just start off by saying that when I say I've made over $6,000, I have, but it has been over a long time. It's been over the course of many years. I recently started MERCARI, which is a newer Poshmark type app. Let's see. So far I've made $895. So 895 bucks is not bad for reselling stuff that you don't even care about anymore. So I love the idea of taking those things that aren't that important to you and then giving it away or selling it, and someone who really loves it gets to find it and enjoy it and wear it for who knows how many years. So there are 4 online selling and shopping platforms that I really like to use to resell my old things. It's eBay, MERCARI, Poshmark, and OFFERUP. So OFFERUP is a place more for furniture or items. It's also in your local area. However, they do ship. It is expensive, so if you're going to be buying stuff, that's not worth it. But it is more, and how I've used it is for picking up stuff. If you need to sell something, you put it on there, someone will message you, they just come by, they pick it up. I left a couch outside my door, my apartment, and someone literally came, didn't even have to interact with them. They sent me the money, picked up the couch, it was a done deal, and it was great. Poshmark I've been doing for a long time, since high school. I've done it many years, so I'm getting older, and I've made a ton of money off there. That's where I've made the majority of my money, but that's because I was using it for so long. This newer platform, MERCARI, is also great. I think it's a little easier to use than Poshmark, and it is gaining platform users as well, and so there's more items. There's also a lot of people looking to buy items. There's a lot of people looking to buy items on there, and I feel like my items have sold very fast, even in comparison to Poshmark. eBay I actually don't like, but I did list it on here because it was one of, if not the first online selling platform. It's obviously huge, it can be great, just I haven't had good personal experiences with it. I find it difficult to use, and the shipping out items process was a little more confusing for me. With MERCARI and Poshmark, it's very easy to ship out your items because it just literally gives you a little button that you say download shipping receipt, and then you can slap it on whatever and send it out. I want to real quick do the purchasing side because I love to shop. I think most of my money has just been going right back into MERCARI right after I earn it, but I've tried to save some of it. These are some of my favorite items that I have gotten off of I think all of these are off of MERCARI. So these are all my current favorite items that I wear all the time. They are all obviously used, got them at a huge discount. So the first up is, these are DL 1961 bell bottoms. This is a very expensive jean brand, so you know it's quality. That's how I shop on there. I look up by brand, not by item. I wouldn't look up dark wash bell bottom jeans because it brings up a million search results of stuff that you don't really want to pay for. Yeah, but these are just really quality jeans. They're so comfortable. I wear them all the time. This sweater I love. I've been living in it recently. It is just like a plain Nike swoosh sweatshirt, but it's amazing. I wear it to class probably every day. People probably think I only own this sweatshirt. This shirt is very special to me. This is actually a Chloe shirt. And I got it for maybe $30 and it's Chloe. This is also very special to me because this is a shirt that I wore when I got engaged. When I thought I was going to be having a family Christmas card photo shoot, I was wearing this, but I actually got engaged. So yeah, I love that top. Always have that top probably. This is another one of my favorites. This is a Treasure and Bond real leather jacket, and it's as you can see, is beautiful camel leather, and it has some stretch detailing here. Yeah, I love this jacket. It's a great fit. After I got it, I actually realized I have the exact same one in black, and somehow I didn't know. So yeah, and that's also my favorite black leather jacket. So Treasure and Bond, I love all of their stuff. Obviously, they're great. These earrings, these little things, it's just a really nice local designer. Yeah, they're just really pretty. Got those for like $10, and I think they sell for like 68 or something. I don't know, it's crazy, good deal. And this, I just got it. I'm so excited about this deal. So I went back and forth bartering for a while with this girl, and I ended up getting this Gucci barrette. Real Gucci came with the box for 50 bucks. And for those of you who know at home, this retails for $400. So I was really happy about getting this for 50 bucks. And yeah, real excited about that one. Anyways, those are the things that I love that I found off MERCARI so far. Now for the tips. Okay, so first off, when you have an item that you want to sell, the picture is key, especially the first picture. You want to make a good impression on people who are scrolling, looking through an item. They've probably been scrolling for a while. You want to catch their eye. So what I always do is I look up the brand of the item I'm trying to sell, and I try to find the actual professionally taken photo that is put up online at the store. I screenshot that, put that as the cover photo, and then the rest of the photos I will put as the normal photos I just take with my iPhone. And if you can't find it online, really try to take a good picture with good lighting. Whenever it looks dark and dingy, people are automatically drawn away from not even looking at that item. It doesn't even matter what you're selling. Also, sometimes I'll go back in and edit the photos that I've just taken to make it look brighter or whatever it is, as long as it doesn't change the actual representation of what the item looks like, because you don't want them to be confused or surprised whenever they get their item in the mail. Always include measurements. It is so annoying whenever I've put up a ton of items and then I get a couple messages saying, what's the length of this skirt? How tall is, or how long is this sleeve of the top or whatever? It's super annoying, and I don't want to deal with that. And that will usually result in me not selling it because I don't have the time to go back and remeasure 10 items that I just took all that time putting up. So whenever you set apart a block of time or whatever it is, if you have a lot of items, if you have one item, just measure it from top to bottom, the sleeves onto the width from shoulder to shoulder, seam, just those basic things. To have those down, that will make something sell so much quicker. Another thing that I used to do that I don't do all the time, but I'm trying to do more because it is kind of time consuming, but if you don't have an overwhelming amount of items that you want to put up, I would go ahead and just do a little fashion shoot and try them on and get someone to take a photo of you or take a photo of yourself, because people, whenever they get to see the item on a body and it's the actual item, they're more trusting of how it's going to look on them. So especially on MERCARI, for some reason more so on MERCARI than on Poshmark, I've gotten in a lot of really long conversations with people, them asking all these specific questions and like, well, can you lower the price on this? And what about this price? Just going back and forth bartering with them a lot. And always be kind. I mean, that's kind of obvious, but always be, you're providing a product for someone. You have to be in a business mindset if you do want to sell. And so just be nice, be courteous, try to appear like you're going above and beyond to accommodate their questions and whatever their inquiries about the product. But at the same time, if someone seems like they're not going to buy it, or they're giving you just really lowball numbers for their offers, just say, I'm not interested, or just don't waste your time. And they're not going to end up buying it, or they're just going to keep sending you lowball offers. So this is one major tip that I have that I mostly did on Poshmark, and I'm starting to do again on MERCARI. On Poshmark, since I had it for so long, I had some items on there that would just sit for forever and they wouldn't sell. No one was really liking them. They weren't getting any attention. And so what I would do with that item, if it was well priced and I couldn't find any other obvious reasons why this one item wasn't selling, I would look under the categories of things that were similar to it. So if I was trying to sell a pair of white Nike tennis shoes, I would look under white Nike tennis shoes in the search bar, and whatever would come up, I would click on an item that looked similar. So it would probably look similar because it would come up with white Nike tennis shoe. So I'd click on that and that item, and then I could look at the likes, the people, the accounts who liked that item, and then click on those accounts. This is time consuming, by the way. Click on those accounts, and then I would individually message each of them and say, hey, I have a similarly priced item. I also just lowered the price even lower than the person's photo that you just liked. Are you interested? Or I'd be like, hey, I'll offer you free shipping if you buy it right now. Basically just making your own targets of people who you know are going to be interested in that item because they have liked items that are very similar to the item that you posted that isn't getting as much attention. Another thing that I do whenever I'm shipping out items is I went ahead and on Amazon purchased a bunch of packaging envelopes, you know, with like little bubble wrap in them. I think they're called packaging envelopes, you know what I mean. They just have cute designs on them, and so it's not just like, you know, I used to sell out of an old used Amazon box that I like kind of tried to tape over the hole that I kicked in it when I opened it, you know, it was just like not great looking. And so getting something that looks like, oh, I bought this from a boutique or something, even though you obviously didn't, it's just a nice feeling, and I always like receiving those. I also like to always send a note that said, hey, I really hope you enjoy your new blank, your new top, your new shoes. They will look great on you. Have a great day, XOXO. And then I also leave my name on it, and I say shop again soon. You know, if somehow they remember my name, Storm is memorable, then they can always come back and see if I have any similarly listed items. And I usually get a lot of good feedback from that, and more followers who want to follow along with my closet. So anyways, I think that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to keep on posting. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and yeah, I have some really exciting content coming out. Feel free to follow me on Instagram because that's where I post a lot of updates or ask for a lot of y'all's opinions on different things, and I will continue to do so. And yeah, that's where you'll get all my other exciting updates. So yeah, like, subscribe, whatever. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm excited to get more content out soon. So bye.